Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Data. This video is about famous bike brands from different countries. Runner from Bangladesh, Dion from China, Triumph from United Kingdom, Dufra from United States, Brahmo from United States, Benelli from Italy, AKT from Colombia, Zontes from China, Kawasaki from Japan, BRP from Canada, Winfast from Vietnam, Walden from Bangladesh, Matisi from United Kingdom, Harley Davidson from United States, Confederate from United States, Honda from Japan, KTM from Austria, Hesketh from United Kingdom, Boss Horse from United States, Vauxhall from France, GPX from Thailand, Java from Czech Republic, Rusi Motorcycle from Philippines, BMW Motorrad from Germany, Royal Enfield from India, Gas from Spain, Otico from Colombia, Addiction from Myanmar, Aprilia from Italy. Guys, if you like this video, then subscribe this channel. BOL from United States, Modinas from Malaysia, Derby from Spain, DYL Motorcycle from Pakistan, Mondial from Turkey, Ducati from Italy. Guys, please subscribe to Elite Data channel. Horax from Germany, IZH from Russia, Husaberg Motorcycle from Sweden, SYM from Taiwan, Moto Guzzi from Italy, Buell from United States, Motomel from Argentina, BRP Bombardier from Canada, AJP from Portugal, Aeon Motor from Taiwan, Thumbstar from Australia, Ural Motorcycle from Russia. Guys, please subscribe to Elite Data channel. TVS from India, Yamaha from Japan, Reju from Spain, Zip from Poland, Atlas Honda from Pakistan, VR Motors from Indonesia, Italica from Mexico, KMZ from Ukraine, Bajaj Auto from India. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to Elite Data channel for more information.